So, hello folks. What have we got going on here then? Oh. Let's go and have a look and see what we got. So, as you know, this Oskar Emil, which I bought for £5 plus delivery last year, year before last. There's a video in my video lists covers it, and this is what I call my true beta watch. So as you can see, that one's got a dinged crystal. Otherwise, you know, it's been a very good watch. Right, very heavy. Right, you know, it's the heaviest watch in my set. So, look at that one. As you can see, this one is not beaten up. Now I paid for the new looking one. I paid less than the old bashed up one. Pretty cool, isn't it? It's a Miyota OS20 high hand chronograph with date there at the 4:30 mark. It is completely constructed of very high grade stainless steel. As you can see, there's solid links all the way through. It has a signed clasp. It does not have a signed crown, but it has got a bullet shaped crown. I don't know if you can see that. It's shaped like a bullet with a bit of texture on it. Fixed bezel. If you look at a picture of a Tissot T race, you can see where they're going with that. And it's got screw fixed lugs, as you can see, and I mean that is all solid chunks steel. It's all like billet. You can see on the inside as well, like, you know, it's just, there's no folded metal links in there whatsoever. It's just pinned. Nice keeper. And you can see there goes the butt for the now reset it. Bosh. The second hand at the bottom is petrol. You've got 60 minutes worth of minutes there, and you've got 24-hour time there. Loom. It's only held to, as you can see, it's only on the hands. There's no loom on the dial anywhere. So now all I had to do was put a new battery in it, because I bought this one. If you look up Oskar Emil Houston, right, there's actually a German one that appears. It's the only one that really appears, and this is it. This is the one that was featured on Worth Point and everything else, like, you know. So it's got quite a nice loom. It lasts a while. It's got a nice navy blue dial. If you look in the where the rehaul is, there's like the usual, like what's it, 10 minutes worth of red to tell you that, you know, that, so you can set your time. So, you know, this is absolutely astonishing. I'm so pleased with that. Like I say, I paid less for this newer condition one. You know, you can actually feel it on your wrist. It's like, you know, it's quite strong weight to it. I have got to give it some polishes here and there, like, I don't know if that's a scuff. Yeah, it's a scuff there. That'll easily come out. That's a good thing about like solid stainless steel. It is beautiful to polish. You know. There you go. You can see the second hand, perpetual second hand, just sweeping around in the bottom dial. It's got nice girder tie up hands for the main hands. All in all, like, you know, this still remains my favourite chronograph. Yeah, I will say as well that I do rate this with the series 800. It's not too bad behind it, but I do rate this as really the only decent watch that Oskar Emil made. You know, because of its industrial, hard sort of, you know. I mean, you know, it's almost Soviet in that respect, like a Slava tank. Like, you know, it's like, you know, there's nothing fluffy about it. So there you go, the old and the new. So, you know, and I could keep this the one for spares, or I can get around to actually fixing it up. Just use it as what it is, as a beta watch. You know, so I'm going to go out and do the car at some point. Like, you know, I'd wear this because I know that it doesn't matter if it gets a bit scratched up, because it already is scratched up. So, and like the Miyota movement itself is actually worth a hell of a lot more than the watch. I'm very pleased with that. I really am. I sat on this auction it was a 9-day auction, and I sat on it all the time, and I was like, you know, I had to go and watch stuff on Netflix to take my mind off of it, because I was like micro watching it. Like, I'm quite pleased with that. So let's take it to the up view and we'll talk some more about that. Gratuitous look. It's nice and firm on the wrist. It is what I like a watch to be. Big, solid, well built. Built rather than crafted in that respect. Like, you know, it's unusual to, like, you know, I've got quite a load of Seiko based chronographs, but I don't have many Miyota based ones. I'm very pleased with that. So there you go. Like, I may be that I might, you know, sell that on as a project. I don't know, do it as a giveaway at some point. If I get 500 subscribers, well, you know, and that is like, you know, smack something in the teeth with that then, right? The only thing I've got coming now is obviously the Sky Master, which I'm expecting today, and the Russian Amphibia 119, the Sky Blue with the big 12 and 6. You know, I showed those in pictures in the last video. This is what I got for my granddaughter. It's one of these snack watch things, like. Very strange they are, you know, the way you strap it on your wrist sort of thing, you know. That's part of her like belated birthday and everything. It's taken ages to come. I had 2 watches come from Megalith in the time that turned up, because there was like a bit of a furore about, like, you know, where is it, like, you know, and I was getting quite cross with them about it, like, So the old beard's coming along nicely. You know, so I thought I would showcase that, but you know, it's still very like a usable, you know, and I can see this becoming a daily light wearer. Although like I do wear my Slavitan quartz like quite a lot, but you know, it's just getting a pattern, like, you know, getting it all, you know, in. So it's really strange actually, because like this here, this Accurist Gold has got basically like, it's very similar. It's at the oh, where is it? Yeah, the crown's in the wrong position, right, for everything. Right, but this is basically, it's another Miyota. Right, this is the OS60. Right, it's got the crown down there. Right, but this one needs to be reset, right, properly. I don't know what's wrong with it. It's working, but it's just playing up. It just won't set properly. So there you go, another chronograph added to the folder. Well, these weren't cheap, like, you know, I mean, I don't believe like what that chap at Oskar Emil told me, that they were sold for 750 quid. Like, you know, more likely a couple of hundred quid at the most, but like, you know, these weren't cheap. Well, I like them, you know, and that's what it's all about, isn't it? Like, you know, whatever you put on your wrist, what you put on your shirt, or like, you know, what you drink for, like, you know, a beverage or something like that. It's all down to the things that you like. Once it don't hurt nobody, you're like, it's what this stuff about, like, you know, like, oh, we've got to have black people, women, kids, you know. You know, if you take away all the labels, you know, and you say, hey, what we have here is a human being. You just disregard race, religion, caste, or money, or wealth, or anything like that, and you have your basic human being. And that's what you really need in this world, right? You know, I mean, this is why I'm not really a fan of the royalty, because I'm really quite cross, like, you know, that some date of whatever down the ages, right, it says that that person up in London is better than me. Well, no, she's not. I mean, her shit still stings, her blood's still red. I mean, you know, if she was a child carrying age, like, and if I had it away with her, she'd still have a baby, like, you know. Although, like, you could see why Prince Philip went mad, you know, imagine having to diddle that. The royals, they're not pretty, are they? Right? I mean, you see horses that are prettier than them. Right, I'll leave that there, like, you know, it's just after my minor treason, and I will catch you in the next one. Toodle Pipski. Will you accept the charges? What you tell me isn't true.